Hi everyone, welcome back. Now you must have assumed what we are talking about from the title of this video. Yes, today we are talking about coconut oil and its various benefits for our skin and hair. And I pretty much know that we kind of are aware about its benefits from childhood. We've been using it so much, from taming frizzy hair to just applying it on our skin for getting absorbed and for soft and supple skin. But did you know that the maximum benefits of coconut oil are only consumed by our skin, hair and body when it is in its 100% pure form? Now, the coconut oil that I have been using from a very long time is the virgin coconut oil by Disano. Now, why I like this one is because this is made from cold pressed technique, which basically means that they suck out the liquid from the coconut meat and they extract the oil from the purest form of coconut milk, which is why this is 100% natural. This is unrefined, it doesn't have any mineral oils, and this is absolutely safe to be used for your skin, body and hair. So let's begin with a few of its uses that I like to do on an everyday basis. Did you know that the fatty acids and vitamins in coconut oil can fight signs of aging and firm up your skin? So just massage a teaspoon of it on your face and start massaging your face with a facial tool like a gua sha. Just do this for 5 minutes and it will improve the skin's elasticity after a few uses over the period of time. I know it's a task to remove the makeup after a heavy and tiring day, but a single swipe of coconut oil can clean your skin in no time. If you've ever wanted long and beautiful luscious lashes, then apply a bit of coconut oil on a spoolie and brush your eyelashes with it. Do this for a couple of months and you will start noting the difference and you will love it. To avoid pigmentation and stretch marks, mix sugar with coconut oil to make a scrub and use this twice a week on areas affected by pigmentation or where there is stretch marks. The antioxidants in this coconut oil helps to restore the natural pH level of the skin. I never like going to the dentist, which is why one of the major secrets to good oral health is using coconut oil. Put a single spoon of it in your mouth and swish for 10 to 15 minutes. Do this first thing in the morning and then follow up with washing your mouth with saline water and brushing your teeth. A massage with this oil can really soothe and relax the muscles within our body, making it a great choice if you're feeling tired or sore from physical activity. This penetrates deep into the skin and helps inflammation, cellulite, and also a lot of relaxation. The secret behind long and silky mane of women in the tropical coastal areas is definitely the fact that they use coconut oil. It makes the mane stronger and offers a sparkling shine to the hair strands. So if you're heating it up, just remember to use the double boiler process so that you don't heat it directly but in a passive way instead. So definitely try this for yourself. This is like a magical potion that I'm really addicted to. It kind of solves most of my beauty problems. So I'm going to have the link of this in the description box below. So get it for yourself and start using the virgin coconut oil. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you very, very soon. Bye.